Flowering plants delight our senses. We love them in our gardens, yet it is little appreciated that they are also the basis of our food. In fact, humans would not have evolved without them. But for the plant, flowers are an enormous drain on limited resources. So why even have flowers?
Flowers are all about sex, that's for sure.
The origin of flowers is one of botany's most enduring mysteries. Darwin called the mystery abominable. Now, 2 teams of scientists have set out across China to solve that mystery. One team is searching for the clues that are held by living plants.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of people that would love to be here right this moment.
The other believes it has found an extraordinary fossil that could be the world's first flower.
Well, that's history right there.
Together, can they solve this evolutionary mystery? Tonight on Nova, First Flower.
Major funding for NOVA is provided by the Howard Hughes Medical Institute, serving society through biomedical research and science education, HHMI. Major funding for NOVA is also provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by PBS viewers like you. Thank you.
Flowers hold a special place in the natural world and in the human heart. But flowering plants are not just fragrant decorative objects. They are essential to human life. Almost all our food, including wheat, corn, and rice, is derived from them. As are many medicines, old and new. But where did flowers themselves come from? Professor Sun Ge from China's Jilin University is certain that early flowers evolved here in northern China, and he is determined to find the world's first. Not far from the border of Inner Mongolia, there is a remarkable fossil site that is revealing what the Earth looked like more than 100 million years ago.
Fossils form in between the layers of sediment. Searching for fossils is like opening the pages of a book. We look page by page by page.
Sun Ge searched for more than a decade through these layers of rock without success. One day, a student dropped off 3 new fossils at his office. The first 2 were plants Sun Ge had seen before.
Then I looked at the third one. I was surprised. It was a very strange fossil. I was very excited.
The fossil was unlike anything Sun Ge had ever seen before. At the top of 2 simple branches were structures that appeared to enclose seeds. An enclosed seed is a defining feature of a flower today. Could this be an early flower? After months of analysis, Sun Ge decided to share it with a fellow botanist in the United States. This priceless fossil that had been buried deep in the earth for more than 100 million years had to endure one more burial in another kind of tomb. Sun Ge brought the fossil to his longtime friend and colleague, David Dilcher, of the University of Florida, for another opinion.
Yeah, it could be. Really, I think maybe you're right there, that it could be.
Dilcher is one of the world's leading paleobotanists, which is the study of ancient plants and their fossils.
Very young.
His passion is trying to understand the origin of flowers.
I've been looking for the earliest flowering plant of the world for probably 35 years.
Before flowers, the earth was covered with green plants like ferns, pines, and the now extinct seed ferns. Their reproduction was relatively slow and inefficient. Pollination was mostly carried out by the wind. Eventually, the fossil record shows that flowering plants came to dominate the globe. They clearly were the winning evolutionary strategy.
In numbers of species, I would guess that 95% of the plants that we are in contact with are flowering plants.
Flowers take enormous energy for a plant to produce.